Hello, third grade. Happy Thursday. We are almost done with our second week in February, and we're going to be working with subtraction, but they're going to be word problems. So let's go through 2 examples and talk through it so you know what we are doing for our homework today. So our first one says, Wendy is helping set up for a school picnic by putting out small and large plates. She has a total of 267 paper plates. And if she has 140 large ones, how many small paper plates does Wendy have? So for subtraction, our total is going to go on the top. So we have a total of 267. The bigger number will always be the number that we write first. So we know how many large ones are. We want to know how many small ones are. So we're going to subtract the large ones from the total to find out the small plates. So here's the total. Here are the large ones. We're taking away the large ones from the total to figure out how many small plates there are. So if I have 7, I always start with my ones. If I have 7 and I'm taking away 0, I'm left with 7. But if I have 6, and I can do it with tallies, and I take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I have 2 left. And if I have 2, and I take away 1, I have 1 left. So it says I'm left with the number 127 small plates. Now let's say I want to double check my answer. I'm going to take my small plates and my large plates, add them together to see if I get the total. So I have 140 large ones, 127 small ones. Now I'm going to check my answer by adding them. 0 plus 7 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So is my total the same? Yeah, 267, 267. So that's just a way we can check our answer. Because this is our big paper plates and this is our small. And if I add those together, I should be getting the total answer. So that's if we want to double check our answer. Remember, double checking our answer is always good to do. So now let's practice one more. Recently, the value of Oscar's college savings fund decreased, which means it got smaller, by $425. If his fund was worth $512 before, how much is it worth now? So we always take the bigger number, the total, and put that on top. 512 is the bigger number. So that's going to go right on top. So that's how much money he had before. But then it decreased, which means it got taken away by $425. So we had this as our total, and this got taken away. So we're subtracting our total minus what was taken away to figure out the new total. So now I see I have 2, and if I take away 5, but I can't take away 5, right? Because I don't have enough fingers. So we have to borrow. So I'm going to go to my tens. I see I have 1 there, so I'm going to take that 1 away. My tens place turns to 0, and this number turns to 12. So I have 12, take away 5. So let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 7 fingers, so 12 minus 5 is 7. And then I have 0, take away 2. But if I have 0, can you take away 2? Nope. So we have to borrow from our hundreds now. So I'm going to my hundreds, my 5. I'm taking 1 away. Turns to 4. I'm putting that 1 in my tens. So my tens place turns to 10. So I have 10, take away 2, which leaves me with 8. And then I have 4, take away 4. So I have 4 and I take away 4, I'm left with 0. So I'm not going to write anything there. So now they're asking, how much is it worth now? Well, now his college fund is worth $87. So it started at 512 and then it decreased, so that means taken away $425, leaves us with $87. All right, so make sure as we are going through and writing out our subtraction problems with our word problems, the bigger number, the total is always on top, and then whatever we're taking away is on the bottom. All right, so that is it for today. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.